Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best under-desk treadmills in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Lifespan Fitness TR1000 200 Portable Walking Under-Desk Treadmill, 350 pounds capacity, 2.25 HP quiet motor LED console, for home or office standing desk workout. Start walking towards better health with the Lifespan Fitness TR1000 200 DT3 Under-Desk Treadmill. Upgraded from the TR800 with more durable components and technology, the TR1000 200 treadmill base has a larger motor and wider walking belt, perfect for multiple users and small teams. It's easy to set up for immediate use, compact for small offices limited on space, and quiet enough to avoid disturbing others working nearby. The TR1000 200 treadmill base uses a higher quality motor than those in traditional fitness treadmills, as it uses a high torque motor that generates 2.25 HP at a very low 2400 RPM, resulting in hours of daily usage without overheating or causing excessive stress on the motor and electronics. The onboard IntelliStep technology detects each footstep and tracks your daily step count. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness ASUNA Premium Slim Folding Treadmill Running Machine with Speakers for Home Gyms. Easy-to-use display. Watch your workout progress in real time with the 4-window display. View your time, distance, speed, and calories burned all at the same time. Use the integrated pedometer to track your steps during each exercise session. Portable. This running treadmill can be easily and securely folded flat with the included folding key. Take advantage of the low-profile design, which makes it easy to slide the machine under surfaces and move it from room to room. The folding tool. Turn the tool counterclockwise and the frame locks to fold the treadmill frame. After it is folded, use the treadmill key to secure the frame in place. Keep the tool handy by placing it in its dedicated slot at the base of the treadmill. Number 3. Plus Under-Desk Treadmill Electric Treadmill Walking Pad with touchable LED display and wireless remote control, built-in pre-workout modes and 12 programs, running jogging for home office. Heavy-duty construction and widened running platform. Our slow-walking machine can withstand 220 pounds of weight due to its heavy-duty construction. In addition, the 41x17 walking area provides you with a more comfortable sports experience, and the 3 pedals that meet safety standards guarantee your safety during exercise. Compact size and lightweight design. The size of the walking treadmill is 51.5 x 23.5 x 6.5, and the compact size allows it to be stored in any desired location, such as under the sofa, under the bed, or at the bottom of the wardrobe. Besides, 2 wheels allow you to easily move and carry. Number 2. GPAD 1 Pro Walking Pad Folding Treadmill Smart Walk Slim Foldable Exercise Fitness Equipment Under-Desk Running Indoor-Outdoor Gym Maximum Load 300 Albs Black. Foldable Patent. The Folding Minimalist Treadmill won the 2019 International Award, Red Dot Design Award, and FDAIGN Aid Award. With a minimum height of only 5 inch, length of only 32.3 inch. With convenient transportation wheels to move around without hassle. You could store it in your living room, study, sofa, a small corner, or under the bed. Intelligent speed control. The running speed is controlled by the human motion trajectory. You can control the speed as needed. Restore the state of your outdoor sports. Walking and working. Walking Pad walking machine is designed with a tabletop, which has large surface area of 47 x 16.5. You can focus on your work or entertainment while doing exercise. Number 1. Walking Pad Folding Treadmill Ultra Slim Foldable Treadmill Smart Fold Walking Pad Portable Safety Non-Holder Gym and Running Device P1 Gray 0.5 to 372 MPa. Ultra Slim Foldable Running Board for easy storage. This walking pad foldable treadmill P1 adopts ultra slim high-strength aluminum frame design with patented hinged folding running board. The size of this walking pad is 56 inch x 21.5 inch and only 32 inch x 21.5 inch when folding. The thickness of this pad is just 5 inch, equal to the thickness of the door. It can be easily hidden under the sofa or bed. It is only 62 olds for you to take away. Smart Gravity Foot Sensing Speed Control. To avoid fall-down risk on the speed walking pad, this foldable treadmill P1 doped with high-sensitive gravity sensors to support speed control. You'll easy to feel the front accelerate area, middle uniform speed area, and back decelerate area. And the whole process is automatically controlled by your foot position.